Get ready to experience the benefits of Cognitiwe. Our Predictive Vision AI platform provides the most accurate and adaptable solutions for both retail and manufacturing. Cognitiwe Products for Retail offers shelf stock and fresh food monitoring, shelf planogram analytics, fraud and shrinkage detection. Cognitiwe Products for Manufacturing offers high-sensitive inline quality, stock monitoring, health and safety monitoring. Our real-time flexible architecture works on any cloud, on-prem or in a hybrid fashion, without extra hardware investment. Gain insight with Cognitiwe.